Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the recent PR packages that I've gotten. I have some exciting new launches to show you guys. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Today's post notification shout out goes to Safa. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so first up I have a package here from Urban Decay, and I'm super excited about this one because it is the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I have seen so many people using this and I finally got mine in the mail, but the packaging is so pretty. I'm obsessed. And then here are what the shades look like. I'm really excited about these like middle shimmery shades right here. I really want to try those out. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. And then they also sent over their Primer Potion Eye Primer, which I've never had a full size one of these. So yeah, I used it today. I really like this eye primer. I love that it has like a little applicator so you can just apply it straight from the tube and you don't have to like squeeze it out. The mini sizes of these, you have to like squeeze them out and apply it with your finger, but I prefer the little applicator. So that is everything that I have to show you guys from Urban Decay. A huge thank you to them for sending these products over. I'm so excited about them. Next up, I have a PR package here from Oprah Cosmetics. I am so excited that I just recently got on their PR list and they sent me over a box of goodies. They sent over so many things. So a lot of these things are not going to be in their original boxes anymore, because as soon as I get PR packages, I try and unbox them and get rid of all of like the boxes, because if not, things will just get crazy and I'll have boxes everywhere. The first thing they sent over is the Absolute Cover Primer. I have used this one time and I liked it a lot. I really like the packaging of this. I feel like it's just like really sleek and modern the way that the top comes off. This primer does have really good reviews on their website, so I was really excited when they sent this over. And then they also sent over their Absolute Cover Foundation. They sent it over in two different shades. The first one is 0.5, and then we have the shade number 1, and these are the lightest shades, I believe. These do look pretty dark for being the lightest shades. I am a little bit self-tanned right now, and these do look like they would kind of match me. Number 1 almost looks like it would be too dark, so if you are pretty fair, I don't think that there's going to be a shade that will match you in this foundation. You could always use like lightener drops, but yeah, I feel like they should have a little bit lighter of shades. But I am really excited to try this foundation out. I haven't really seen that many people talk about this. Next up, they did send over their beauty sponge, which I used mine, so it's like really gross. But I'm like super impressed with this so far. I have never had like a beauty sponge that was so like light and airy. So I'm loving this so far. Next up, they sent over 2 liquid lipstick sets. The first one we have here is the Me, Myself, and I lip set. And this has a bunch of really pretty like mauve-y and like plum shades. It has the shades Santa Ana, Mina, and Unzipped. These all look really pretty. I feel like these are really good shades for the fall. And then they sent over their Island Time lip set. We have these shades Aruba, Coco's Island, and Rio. I'm wearing the shade Rio on my lips right now. They also sent over 2 of their highlighters. This one is not in a box because I have been using it nonstop. This is their highlighter in the shade Beverly Hills. It has a bunch of really pretty shades that you can kind of like mix and match. You can mix them all together or you can wear each shade individually. I'm wearing like the white shade up there and then the champagne shade on my cheek right now, and I love those shades together. And then they also sent over the shade Glazed Donut, which is like their collaboration shade with Nikki Tutorials. I do already own this highlighter, so I'll probably put this one in a giveaway for you guys. And then the last thing that I sent over is their must-have mattes palette. This is one of their pro palettes with a bunch of really pretty matte shades in here. I cannot wait to try these out. These look really good. I feel like you can create so many different looks with all of these shades. So I believe that's everything that Ofra sent over. I did kind of take everything out of the box, so I might have left something out, but a huge thank you to them for sending me all of these products over. I'm so excited to try everything out. Next up, I do have 2 packages here from Colourpop. So the first thing I have here to show you guys from Colourpop is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette. I love the packaging of this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw all of this being unboxed on my stories, but look how pretty all of these shades are. I am so excited that I got this palette in PR. I did use it one time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I used this palette when I did like my butterfly makeup look. So yeah, this is a really pretty palette. I cannot wait to try out some of the other shades. I really want to try this like metallic green right here. And then the other PR package I have from Colourpop is their Whatever collection. I have been seeing them post all about this on Instagram, and I was so excited when I got this collection in the mail. First up, we have the Whatever palette. I am wearing this palette on my eyes right now. I'll have like a mini tutorial using this palette up on my Instagram. So here is what the actual palette looks like. I love the packaging of this. I think it looks so cute. And then here are all of the shades. This is literally the perfect eyeshadow palette for the fall. Like, I am obsessed with every single shade that's in this palette. I think they did such a great job with this. Next up, we have this BFF bundle, and this has their mascara, a gel eyeliner, and then a regular eyeliner. They're all in this really pretty, like, burgundy shade. I am wearing this eyeliner in my waterline right now. It went on super nicely. I had never tried the Colourpop eyeliners before, but I really liked it a lot. And then we have 6 shades of their ultra glossy lips. I don't think that I own any of these. I might. If I do own them, I probably have only used them maybe a couple of times. So first up, we have this really pretty nude shade. This is in the shade Space Maker. I'm sure I'm going to love this one. Next up, we have the shade Attention Haul, which looks like it's even lighter of a nude shade. This one looks really pretty. Then we have the shade Are We Done, which I'm sure I'm going to love this one. I love shades like this. Then we have the shade Lesson Learned. A lot of these are starting to look very similar. I feel like this looks like the first nude shade that I pulled out, but this one looks a little bit darker. Then we have the shade Crushin', which this one does look different, and this one is more of like a mauve pink shade. Then the last shade is called I think it's supposed to be Me Verse the World, and I'm sure I'm gonna love this one as well. This is a really like warm, kind of like brownish nude. And then the last thing that came in this collection and in this PR box are 6 shades of their Super Shock blushes. So it looks like 5 of these are matte blushes. We have some really pretty kind of like warm brownish blushes, and then we also have some more like pinky toned blushes here. I'm really excited about these. I feel like they did a really nice job with the shade range of these blushes. And then we also have this one shimmery blush that looks super pretty right here. So that is everything that I got sent from Colourpop. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for sending me over both of these collections. I'm really excited about them. And then the last PR package I have here to show you guys is from Sally Beauty. I am going to be doing like a collaboration with them on Instagram for like a Halloween look. So they did send me a bunch of goodies over from the brand I think it's Palladio. I'm not sure how to say the brand exactly, but they sent me a bunch of their products. So first up, we have 2 eyeshadow palettes right here. These are the Island Vibes palette. The first one is their Horizon palette, and this has some pretty like cool toned purples in here. And then they also sent over their California Sunset palette, which looks so pretty. This is a nice like warm toned palette. Next up, I have a blush here. This is a really pretty like light peachy matte blush. And then they also sent over this bronzer. This is in the shade No Tan Lines. This looks like a really nice light bronzer. It's kind of more on the cool tone side, which will be good for my skin tone. This blush, I forgot to say, is in the shade Peach Ice. Next up, they sent over a highlighter palette, which I'm so excited about. This looks so pretty. This is their I'm Glowing highlighting palette, and I really cannot wait to try out these shades. They look really pretty and metallic. They also sent over a translucent setting powder. This packaging is super interesting. This is their rice powder. They also sent over 2 setting sprays. We have their long-lasting matte finish setting spray, and then we also have their long-lasting dewy finish spray. And then the last 2 things that they sent over are both eye products. The first one is their Lash Obsessed mascara, and then I also got their Liner Obsessed gel eyeliner. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for sending over this PR package. I'm super excited to try everything out. All right, you guys, so those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten recently. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm gonna have all of the products that I mentioned in today's video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.